For this activity, you will be needing just a pencil. The first thing you'll do is write your name. Now, let's look below. You've been practicing counting backwards by ones. So you'll start first at this number, 14, then you'll count backwards, 13, 12, 11, and what number is going to come there? So you'll take your pencil and you're going to fill in the numbers that are missing. Then you'll come to the second row and start all over. 15, 14, and then you're going to continue and fill in all the missing numbers. Then you'll come to this row and start again. Fill in all the missing numbers. Put your paper in your work folder or take a picture and send it to your teacher on Seesaw.